Welcome to ASEAN MedTech Insights. Today we are focusing on the Philippines and a critical piece of regulation for any medical device manufacturer operating in the country. This is the Administrative Order number 2018-0002. This order is significant because it aligns the Philippines with the broader ASEAN Medical Device Directive, particularly through its adoption of the Post-Market Alert System, or PMAS. This system is designed to streamline the sharing of information about device safety issues across ASEAN member states. So what does this mean for you as a manufacturer? It means you have a mandatory obligation to report certain incidents to the Philippine Food and Drug Administration. The regulation is very specific about what constitutes a reportable event. This includes any incident that leads to a serious threat to public health, death, or serious deterioration in a person's state of health. It also covers Field Safety Corrective Actions, known as FSCAs. An FSCA is any action taken by a manufacturer to reduce a risk of death or serious harm, which can include product recalls, exchanges, or software upgrades. The timelines for reporting are strict and are a major compliance challenge. For any incident that poses a serious threat to public health, a report must be submitted to the FDA within 48 hours of becoming aware of it. For any event that led to death or serious injury, the deadline is 10 days. For all other reportable events, such as a pattern of minor incidents that could collectively indicate a significant risk, you have 30 days to report. Missing these deadlines can result in penalties and jeopardize your product registration. Let's consider a real-world scenario. Imagine a company manufactures a diagnostic imaging software used in hospitals in both the Philippines and Thailand. They discover a bug that can, in rare cases, lead to a misdiagnosis of a critical condition. Once this risk is confirmed, their responsibility under AO 2018-0002 begins. They must immediately determine if this constitutes a serious public health threat. They would initiate an FSCA, perhaps a mandatory software patch for all users. They then have to report this FSCA and any associated adverse events to the Philippine FDA within the correct timeframe. Because the system is harmonized with the ASEAN PMAS, this alert can be efficiently communicated to regulatory bodies in Thailand and other ASEAN markets where the product is sold. This shows that compliance in one country has a direct impact on your strategy for the entire region. Navigating these requirements demands local expertise and a proactive surveillance system. Understanding and implementing these post-market requirements is not just about compliance, it is about patient safety and maintaining your market access. If you need assistance navigating the regulatory landscape in the Philippines or other ASEAN markets, please feel free to email us at info@pureglobal.com or visit our website at pureglobal.com.